How to make wire transfer from Bank of America. So first of all, log into your Bank of America account. So for some reason I can't log in and access my account, but I will simply tell you the process. You just need to go for the pay and transfer tab, and from the pay and transfer tab select send a wire or external transfer. Once you have selected that, to add a new recipient, you need to select add account or recipient. Once added, Bank of America will save this particular information of yours. To send a wire transfer now, you need to select make a transfer and follow the on-screen instruction. Now, the next step is you just need to enter the amount how much you want to go with, and once you have set up your transfer, funds generally arrive at the recipient bank in about 2 business days. So that's the whole process of how you can make a wire transfer from Bank of America. So hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.